So we've received a parcel while we was doing the van today, and we think it's the electric.
Hope so.
Let's hope inside it.
Yeah. Ah.
What if I cut through a wire? What if I actually cut through a wire though? That's actually not a good idea, is it? It won't surely it'll be in packaging.
The guy that we got the electrics from was actually really helpful, to the point where I could send messages back and forth when I was doing the electric, just to confirm if I was doing it the right way. So yeah, I highly recommend this company.
Yeah, I'll put a link to the person we got it from in the description below.
It's a plug socket!
So this is the scary bit, and this is the instructions. Oh my god. So we got our kit off eBay, pre-wired electric kit for Campervan, but we got a few customisations. So one of them was that this came with a normal 240 volt hookup for campsite without a flat bit on it, like a cover. So we've got it custom made as a black one with a cover because our van's black. We wanted it to be a bit more stealthy. So that's our first customisation. So the second one, it didn't come with lights and we was going to buy them separate. We've got cool white little spotlights customisation as well to come with it. So Adam's researched the electrics from hoping he knows what he's doing. I looked at them and thought that's how they should come anyway. I didn't think they'd come any different to that, but apparently this bit is already been pre-connected for us, so we just plug them in. Sounds easy.
Does sound easy.
So we went for 4 of these because it's a long wheel. It's a long wheel-based van, but it's not that big inside. So we thought 4 will be enough.
Come on. Close your eyes.
You open them yet?
Open them.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it's neater than expected. So wow, lovely. So we've got our control panel. So this is exciting because it's got USB slots, obviously charge the phones. It's got a 12 volt socket like you have in the front of the van. And then we've got a switch for our lights, our fresh water pump and our fridge. So we can just hook them up to this and then turn them on with our little control panel. And then we've got 2 extra ones, so I think we put in, what did we say we was going to put here?
What was
we decided, didn't we, something?
Diesel, yeah.
Oh, the diesel heater we're going to put on one, and then...
What was it for?
Will it be something to do with the inverter?
Yeah, it was right. Yeah.
Inverter? Yeah. So the diesel heater and the inverter are going to go on the 2 spare ones. So yeah, that's the plan. So we're hopefully going to have hook up when we're at a campsite, charge a battery when we are... Is that when we're at nothing?
Yeah, when we're off.
When we're at nothing, and then the inverter's for... What's the inverter for?
And the inverter is for when we're on nothing to convert, so we can use like...
So what's the leisure battery for then?
So your leisure battery is 12 volts, so you can run things like the lights.
Oh, the inverter gives you 240.
Yeah, converts it.
So I'll tell them, you tell me if I'm right. So we're going to have the leisure battery for when we're not on a campsite or anything like that, and that'll give us 12 volts. Then we're going to have an inverter to give us 240 volt when we're not at a campsite. And then we're going to have this hookup when we're at a campsite to give us 240.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have solar panels that'll charge when we're in the sun to give us...
that'll charge the leisure battery.
That'll charge the leisure battery for the 12 volt.
And this is a split charge, so when we're driving...
You have to tell them this because I don't know what this is.
When we're driving, as normal, when the engine's running, it will charge the leisure battery.
Yeah, we're going to put the inverter in the module. We're going to put the inverter into this in the garage, and then we're going to have a separate plug socket in the kitchen area.
And this is the...
Oh, this is the fuse box, is it?
Mm.
How do I know everything? I've not even researched anything. Oh, so we've got the sockets labelled, but we don't know what the other one's for.
Nothing yet.
Oh, right.
So you've got space to have another one on.
What can that be for?
I think by law you have to have a spare fuse on it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Ooh. Right. Anything else? Something not been free?
Oh, what do we do?
Yeah, you can get some little tape. That's good, isn't it? Well, you should do for the price line. Oh, that's good. So you get... We'll put the link to where we got this from in the comments below. So you get a little... What are these called? You get little... them. Little electrical tape.
Loads of them.
loads of cable ties and little sticky things.
Yeah, because it's like when you're putting the wiring on the ceiling.
Yeah, so you can hold your wiring up against the walls and the ceiling. That's really good actually. So you get all that. You get the plug socket and the wires all wired up. You got all the wires for the fuse box, the wires for the, what do we call this?
The split charge.
The split charge, the one that charges the battery while you're driving. You get all your wires for your lights, your light, and your hookup.
Sounds good. This kit is perfect if you're a beginner and you know nothing about van electric. Without it, I wouldn't have had a clue what to do, with it being our first van build.
Yep, that is true. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next episode where Adam does the first fix of electrics on the van.